Hey everybody, this is Jeff from Builder Wow Digital Marketing, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an e-learning course, also known as an online course, in about 10 minutes. I'm going to show you how to add your instructors, I'm going to show you how to add your modules, your lessons, links, all the things that go into making up a phenomenal online course that you can deliver to your customers and clients. I'm going to show you how to do that in just about 10 minutes. Stay tuned, here comes the video.
Hey everybody, my name is Jeff, and as I said in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fully functioning e-learning course with multiple modules and lessons in about 10 minutes, complete with videos, course materials, quizzes, and a completion certificate. So I use a tool from a company called Builderall. Builderall is a digital marketing platform that has over 40 tools and apps that you can use to basically increase or skyrocket or explode any business online. One of their tools happens to be the e-learning tool. So let's get started here. I'm going to just click on Create New Course right here. And I basically added the course name right up here, the instructor's name, and you can pick a category right here, or you can actually create a new category right there. And I'm going to click Next. And then right here, I'm going to need to drop in an image. So you can either click right here and upload an image, or you can drag one over, which is what I'm going to do. Just going to drag in an image right there. It's going to populate it. I'm going to click Next. And then here, I'm just going to click Create New Course. And you can see that it populates this page, and this is where all the magic happens. This is how you configure your course. I'll walk through this quickly, and in less than 10 minutes, or about 10 minutes, I should say, we'll have a fully functioning course up and ready to view. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is just paste in a course description right here. Put anything you want. You got your nice editor up there. And then this is just some basic information that you don't need to worry about at this point. Again, I'm not going to go through everything, but I'm going to show you the highlights and the most important things. So here we can allow to ask questions to the instructor, so our students can ask questions. That's a good thing to have. You can activate a search bar, analytics code, so you can track what's going on with your course. Right down here, we can add an instructor in there. So let me go ahead and drag that. All right, let's drag my head over there. You can type in an expertise, digital marketer, or whatever the expertise of the instructor is. And then you have registration and protection. So there's all sorts of goodies in here. But one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set registration to not required, so we can go view it right away without logging in, but you can require them to log in. You can close registration once you get enough students in there if you want. You can add a URL to navigate to if they log out of your course. So that's a great marketing tool that you can use. Down here, there are some other configurations that you can use. Multi-level student access gives you the ability to have maybe basic, intermediate, and advanced level modules inside of your course, and you can enable that right here. Section protection settings, if you want to use your own domain, www.yourdomain.com for your course, you can do that. Modules and lessons is sort of where the meat happens. So I'm going to click right there to add a module, and I'm just going to go module 1, and I'll just type in a description like this for illustrative purposes, and I'm going to create a module. So you're going to see module 1 showed up right here. Now we need to add lessons to our module. So we're just going to click right here, add lesson to module. And then right here, we have some fields or some tabs that we can use for this particular lesson. So I've added a name for this particular lesson, and I put in digital magazines. Builderall has a digital magazine app that's actually quite cool as well. In this module, you'll learn how to build a flip turn style digital magazine and can use as a lead magnet or in your marketing. So over here in content, you can add a video, either YouTube or other platforms, and we also have our own video hosting platform right inside the Builderall platform. So let me grab a YouTube link and I'll put it in there. Paste it right in there. And then drip content, that's if you want people to take the first lesson before they see the next lesson, and before they see the next lesson. That's what drip and access means. You can add links right in here, and you'll be able to add the links once you create the lesson. And that same goes for these couple over here. So let's go ahead and save this. And you see it has easy, medium, and hard levels right down there. So we're going to create that. So now we have our module 1. And then the first module, we're going to have a lesson on digital magazines. So now if I go back here and click this pencil, you're going to see I can edit the content, change the video if I want. For links, if I want to add a link here, I can put in whatever I want. So I'll paste in a link here, and I've given the link a name. So I'll show you where this shows up. So I'll just click create link. So we have one here. We can add as many links as we want. So basically when the student is taking the course, they'll have a links section where they can access whatever links you want to be able to give to them. So that's what that is. So I will go over here to files now, and I'm going to drag a file over here, and we can allow our students to view files as part of the course. So let me do that. I'll drag this file right over here. And this is the name of the file. It was picked up by the actual name of the file, and you can put in a description. Click add file. So now you have a file here. We have another tab for test. You can create a test for your students and set some parameters on it by just clicking add question. You can also do a survey. You can also send comments to your students while they're taking the course, and they can also ask you questions. So let's click Save Changes right here. So now you can see we have module 1 with one lesson, and one of the nice things is that you can duplicate this lesson, and I'm just going to say this is lesson 2 and click OK. So now you have digital magazines and lesson 2, and then you can just go into this pencil and change your URL for your video, change out some of these. You can delete them over here and put in a new one. So it's a little bit quicker to do it that way. So now we have lesson 1 and lesson 2. Okay, so let me show you the frequently asked questions part. You just toggle that on. If I want to add a question, I can put a question in here. How long will this course take me to finish? And I'll just put an answer of 6 hours. And then I'll create the question. So we have one question in there. You can add as many questions as you want. And here's where you set up your final test and certificate right down here. So when they complete the course, they can actually get a certificate saying that they completed the course. And then down here are a couple other parameters. Allow students to edit the theme. We'll keep that checked. Display progress of lessons to students. We'll keep that. This is a favorite icon or favicon, and it's this icon right up here in the browser bar. So you can actually configure that. So let's scroll all the way back up to the top here and click Save. And then I'm going to click on Get Embed Code here. I'm going to copy this link right here. And I'm going to open up another browser tab, and we're going to go look at what we just created. And just to show you how easy this was to create a very nice online course. So here's the landing page, how to create an e-learning course in about 10 minutes. And we have the category, the workload we could set, number of modules, and 2 lessons. So if you click over here under FAQ, this is where I put in that question. How long will this course take me to finish? And I put in 6 hours. It's a little accordion thing, very nice, very slick. We have frequently asked, and we have asked the instructor. So this is where the student can actually ask you a question. This is a great feature. And then if I go back to home here and go to first lesson, you're going to see I'm right here on lesson 1, which we call digital magazines. You're going to see if I click on files, this is the file that I uploaded that allows them to click on and get access to it. I put in a link here, and it says learn more about how to build a course. If they click there, they can sign up and try it out. And then here's the comment part of that. Then here's lesson 2, which we basically just duplicated. So these things are all going to be the same, but obviously you can change those. So guys, this video has been about a little over 9 minutes long, this part of the video. And we have a very simple course ready to go. You can see how easy it is, and it's very sophisticated, very powerful. You can build a great course with this Builderall tool. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And if you'd like to give Builderall a try and try out this e-learning app, there should be a link somewhere around this video, and you can check it out. Again, this is Jeff from Builder Wow Digital Marketing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.